Hi, I'm Mark with ClinicSense. We know it can be frustrating when a client doesn't show for an appointment. It can cause you to lose money, but it can also mean that you're going to have an awkward conversation with them, all the while maintaining a good relationship. So how do you save money, save time, and ensure your clients are happy even when they have to pay for a missed appointment? Well, it's easy with the ClinicSense No-Show Guard. With No-Show Guard, you can require that your clients enter a credit card number prior to booking, or even require that they prepay for their appointment. Their advance consent means there are no surprises or hard conversations to have. Let me show you how it works. Simply go to Setup at the top of the page and select Payment Settings. Then you select the third tab, which is No-Show Guard, and you have your three options here, technically four. Then you select the option you want to use and decide if that's something you want to apply to just new clients or to your new and existing clients. Then, when your clients book, during their booking process, they'll see this screen right before they finish and confirm their appointment. It's that easy. If you have any questions about this or anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to us. As always, we can be found at support@clinicsense.com. Have a great day.